Righto, so the new canopy's all on. We're bloody excited. The last few weeks we've just spent decking it out. It's been unreal. You might have seen the video of the walk around we did once it was fitted. I'll drop that link down here or up here somewhere so you can watch that one if you want. What I thought I'd do is I'd take you back a few weeks and talk a bit about how they're actually built and the days when we were there fitting it, so how we installed it and a bit of that process along the way. So hope you enjoy it. Let's go for a look. So today is the day, eh? Just dropped the kids off with the wife. You have no idea how bloody excited I am, mate. So anyway, it's going to be smick. Come for the ride. We'll show you how to fit it, what it looks like, what's involved. Insane build. Let's go. Norweld, here we come. Righto, we are down here at Norweld in Melbourne. Got our ute here. So it's been a big process getting this sorted out, and we're bloody excited because it's going to be a game changer for us on the road. Come inside, I'll show you around. I'll introduce you to Isaac, who owns Norweld, and behind the camera today for me is Caleb.
G'day guys.
He's the one who wired it all up for me. He's from Touring Concepts on the Gold Coast. Come in here.
Have a go.
This is what's going on. This is our old tub. It's coming off. It's been a real pain in the ass for the last 3 years because we just can't access anything. And whenever we leave the van, it's a full-time struggle just to access anything and go camping. And you know, mate, the missus just, she's not happy. I'm not happy, and I'll tell you, she hates it. So come through here and have a look. In the back of here, this is how we head away, right? So fully loaded up, and then I've got no space. So as soon as I throw anything on top of here, I can't use any of that space up there. I can't get anything out of the windows. And my drawer's only open to 2/3 of the way, so you can't get in there and get all that gear out of there. So I'm gonna pull everything out of here, throw it in the new canopy and show you how much more functional it is and how much more space we got. So I've got all the gear out of the back of this. Check out the old rig. There it is, all gone. Come over in here and have a look. This is all the stuff that's going to go in the new canopy. I'll tell you what, I'll show you what this looks like when we've got it all in, and we'll still have plenty of space, so it's going to be unreal. Here we go, this is Norweld setup. They got setups, well, they're built in Cairns, right? The major workshops up there. But they got workshops in Brisbane, Sydney and Melbourne, just like this one, where they come and fit canopies, so you can get them done all over, well, those 3 states. Anyway, this is Isaac. Say good day, Isaac.
Hey bud, what's going on, man?
Hey. They're designed for off-road use and touring Australia, so they've done the R&D behind it, and they're built specifically for what we do. So you don't have to custom design anything. You just pick a package that suits your needs, builds it, smashes it on. Good to go, mate. So the Norweld canopies are all Australian made. They're made out of 2.5mm sheet, 4mm plate and 3mm box section. They're all welded up in the workshop in Cairns, and they're freighted all around the country to get fitted, right? They're CNC routed and plasma cut, all the panels and pieces, so everything is spot on. And the welding and the attention to detail and fit and finish on these things is absolutely next level. So bloody stoked, and I reckon, I'm pretty positive saying you won't find a better job around the country.
As Justin said, I was the one behind the camera, so it's all about me now. Anyway, I do basically a lot of the main packages in the Norweld, the Touring Concepts Enerdrive fit outs. A lot of you guys have probably seen it all on the Facebook and Instagrams and YouTube build videos. It's a standardised package, the Enerdrive 240 volt charger, the 40 amp plus DC to DC charger. We tend to run them mostly with the lithium packages. The charging algorithms in the Enerdrive chargers are like made to suit the lithiums to a T. So that's and of course they're lighter. They're about, well, let's just say a single 125 amp lithium is about 15 kilos as opposed to about 70 kilos of AGM. So it's a bit of a, you know, all these days with all your weights and GVMs and all that sort of stuff. So it's a big thing to think about. But anyway, this is a little sneak peek of the setup on this side. It's easy for Justin and Beck to get to. Everything's right here. They can change the settings in them if they need to. They don't have to once they're sort of set up. It's sort of more set and forget and just check what's going on there. They've got a solar input, a secondary Anderson outlet there, USB and cigarette, and of course the light switch, core lights.
That's awesome.
Colour change, bit of mood lighting for you and Beck. And,
that doesn't happen, mate. We've got kids, that doesn't happen.
200 amp BTEC lithium.
How good is it hidden down there, eh?
That's a new feature in the 2019 model for the range of BT's, Hiluxes, package 3 canopies, is it is recessed in behind the fridge. So under the top plate on the other side, in behind the drawer, it's hidden out of the way, you can't get damaged. It's easy to get all your cables to as well, and it looks sick too. But it's a perfect match for this 2000 watt inverter because it can actually deliver 200 amps continuous, which when you're ramping them up, they suck around 200 amps. Or if it's a microwave or a coffee machine, you'll be drawing about 150 amps off the thing. So that's completely capable of delivering that amount of current. We're doing a lot more Land Cruiser 279 and Hilux packages these days. The whole lot, kit and caboodle, all go out from Pro Touring. So if you, as well as just doing a canopy fit out, but we sort of tie in the whole lot together and send it all out as a turnkey package. So cool, guys.
Honestly, it's brilliant, mate. If you get on his pages and check out his 200 series and his 79s that he built for people, mate, they are ultimate touring weapons. And if you've got enough cash, you'll be probably forking out for one. So, not me, but
if I had the money, mate, you'd be the man. This is going on tomorrow, and I'm pumped, eh?
So a bit of background on the build behind it. We started planning years ago to end up with a fit out like this. So starting off in our tub and canopy, it was the way to go. We needed to learn what we wanted and what we needed to take around the country. And the trips that we started to do sort of evolved from the more of the caravanning things to the remote camping. So this has been a big process for us. It's been a lot of years planning and developing, and to finally find the blokes that can make a setup like exactly what we need, like Norweld and Pro Touring Concepts. It's been a perfect partnership for us because it's like they read our minds. So everything we wanted, everything we needed, they already do. Righto, so the tray's just come off, piece of cake, straight off with the hoist. Anyway, first thing we're going to do is throw the new X-bar on. While the tray's off, I'll show you what it does. You can see the old original one. See the mounts here, and it drops the tow bar right down here. Heaps low, so you sort of lose a lot of that departure when you're full driving. The new one, the X-bar, pretty much comes straight off the chassis. So it's going to sit about probably 6 to 8 inches higher than the original one. Plus, it'll have all these forged recovery points attached to it. So I don't have to run an accessory in here anymore if we need to recover out the back. So a few brackets, a few bolts, new X-bar will go on. One of the cool things about this system and how it fits is that the same package can actually fit on a heap of other dual cab utes. So Hiluxes, Tritons, Colorados, D-Maxes, this same package can go on all those utes. All you need to do is change the mounts that sit underneath it. So there's vehicle specific brackets that mount to the chassis, all alloy, all designed by Norweld. 6 bolts mounted to the chassis, and then once you lower the canopy on, line it all up so it's square with the rest of your rig. Then you just punch some holes through the brackets and bolt it to the chassis rails on the bottom of the canopy. So, pretty cool setup. So the spare tyre setup's pretty cool. You can't see it at the moment because I've got my dirty gear bag on, but in behind there's a threaded bar that actually goes through and locks into the reinforced part of the canopy. It's then got a support mount underneath, and the cool thing about the plate that fits in, it's got an elongated hole in it, so you can actually fit anywhere from a 31 to a 35-inch tyre on the same setup. So it's pretty cool. So I'll show you a bit more about the electrical fit out. It's all done by the boys at Pro Touring Concepts, and it's absolutely mint job. But these panels here, there's one either side on the canopy, they're actually removable. So in behind them, all the wirings run neatly out of harm's way. It's all protected, and it keeps it super tidy and looking schmick like this on the outside. So, righto, big couple of days, we're all done. Exciting times for us. Hey, it's been awesome getting this thing. We've been so damn excited. I just want to show you the couple of lads that helped me out massively with this. We've got Isaac and Caleb.
Yep, so one of the owners of Norweld. My partner Jamie's in Cairns at the moment, so I'm lucky enough to come down to Melbourne. One of our deluxe canopies, a new 2019 model, so I'm looking forward to him getting around the country, showing us what, you know, all the great sights. Everyone wants to see it, they love it, so yeah, it's going to be awesome.
So just a bit about you, mate. Where are they built? How many do you do? Where do you fit them?
Mate, everything's built in Cairns in our facility there, and then we fit Cairns, Brisbane, Sydney, Melbourne, and we've also got fitting agents in WA. So come see us, check out what we do. If you're ever in Cairns, drop in, see our facility there. You can check out all our demo vehicles. We've got plenty of info on our Facebook and website.
Pro Touring Concepts started about 4.5, 5 years ago now. It sort of started off as more minor electrical installations on some tourers, four-wheel drive utes and all that sort of thing, and so now it's sort of gone to that stage where we're doing a lot more in detail vehicle builds and not just your electrical packages. So you can sort of contact us, we can talk to you about the whole lot and how to plan it all out, and basically have it turned out and looking like this whole package. So
Done. Some seriously
Yeah.
cool stuff.
Good mates now, I reckon, these pair. Hey, we've spent the last few days together. We've been on the beers every night. It's been awesome.
Too close.
Can't thank them. Well, these two are too close.
But anyway, honestly, mate, cheers from me.
Thanks for watching. Any questions, hit us up.
cheers, guys.
Thanks, guys.
See ya.
So that's it. Hope that gives you a bit of an insight into the whole process, how we planned it, and the days down there at Norweld fitting it up, and a bit of background about how they're built. So as always, any questions, comments, hit me up. I'll do my best to answer them. If I can't, I'll get the boys who actually build the gear and fit it, and they can help you out. Cheers, thanks for watching.